Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. So here I've got the number of forest fires in Ontario in the past 20 years. So I have from 1998 down to 2018. And I do already have a graph here, but I'm going to make another one. So here you go to insert and you go to chart. I'm not sure why they call it a chart. And so here you start out with a line graph. And so if you want a line graph, you can keep it. But I want a bar graph, or there's a histogram that would work, but I'm just gonna go with a bar graph. They call it a column chart, so I'm gonna choose that. And here, if you don't want all of the years labeled, then that's fine. But I would like it if all of the columns are labeled. And so you go down here to aggregate column A, and we're just going to click that, and now it has the different lines, the different years. And if you want, you can go back to customize here, and you can choose here chart title. You can choose the title. I'm just going to go number of forest fires in Ontario in past 20 years. Okay, and then that's good, and then you can like change the font size and stuff. And then if you want the grid lines, you can put in grid lines, and you can change the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. I'm just gonna leave it as is though. You can change the legend, which is right here, the numbers of forest fires in Ontario. And I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, and stick around for the next one.